Data is everywhere. But are you making sense of it? In a world driven by information, those who can turn data into decisions are the ones who succeed. At Data IT, we don't just work with data, we turn it into actionable insights. Insights that help businesses not only survive, but prosper in today's digital age. Our data and analytics team isn't just about numbers. We partner closely with our clients, understanding their unique challenges and tailoring solutions that fit their business needs. The process begins with data collection. We gather data from various sources to build a comprehensive understanding of your business environment. Our integration process focuses on data cleansing and warehousing, ensuring the data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. Once the data is clean, we apply advanced statistical techniques to uncover hidden patterns and trends that can drive smarter business decisions. Our expertise in data visualization transforms complex information into clear, easy-to-understand visuals, enabling faster insights and decision-making. And with predictive analytics powered by AI and machine learning, we go beyond the present data, offering forecasts and insights to help you stay ahead of the curve. With tools like Power BI and Tableau, we create visually compelling, easily understandable dashboards. These real-time visualizations provide critical metrics and analytics that enable stakeholders to make informed decisions fast. Our dashboards make it easy for you to spot patterns, trends, and insights, helping your business stay ahead of the curve. And in today's fast-paced environment, we know how important it is to access data on the go. That's why we deliver dashboards and reports optimized for mobile devices without compromising functionality or user experience. But it doesn't stop there. At Data IT, we believe in collaboration. We work hand in hand with our clients, ensuring they not only understand the data, but can effectively use it to drive success. At Data IT, we are committed to continuous learning and innovation, ensuring our clients stay ahead in the rapidly changing world of data analytics. We don't just analyze data, we empower your decisions. Let's unlock the potential of your data together. Visit www.devitpl.com for more info.